Hi everyone, my name is Dr. M. Sandhya Rani, working as Associate Professor in the Department of CSE Data Science in Malla Reddy College of Engineering. Today I am going to explain about ACID properties in SQL. These ACID properties are very important for exam point of view as well as for interviews also. To maintain data integrity and reliability, so the ACID properties are very important. They prevent incomplete and corrupted data by ensuring accurate and consistent data for your applications and users. ACID stands for A. Atomicity, C. Consistency, I. Isolation, and D. Durability. These all are closely related to transactions in database. First, we have to understand what transactions are. A transaction is a logical group of queries in DBMS. A transaction in database must maintain all these atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. For example, consider money payment application app Paytm. To transfer money from sender to the receiver. First, we have to deduct amount from the sender account and the same amount is going to credit in the receiver amount. The group of these queries is called transaction. The transaction must maintain atomicity. This property states that all changes made to the database should happen at once or not happen at all. For example, in bank transaction, so there is a amount transfer. So in the transfer, both debit and credit should happen at once or should not happen at all. That is atomicity. And coming to the next property, consistency. Consistency states that the data in database management must remain consistent before and after the transaction. So in before transaction, the two accounts amount A plus B is equal 600. Even after the transaction also, the two accounts amount A plus B is also must equal to 600. And the isolation. Isolation ensures that all the transaction happening concurrently. So here the transaction, they don't know about each other. The transaction T1 must happen after T2 or T2 must happen after T1, but they should happen concurrently. And the last one is the durability. The durability ensures that changes made to the database is going to be persist and cannot be reversed even if there is a system crash or failure in system. Thank you.